come on, Lulu, you can do it. Don't get too cold. You're almost in the warm library. Hi, I'm Kim from Chicago Children's Museum, and today we are going to build a pizza box story maze. You are going to need a few things for this challenge. A ball or something that rolls, some recycled materials, cardboard, plastic containers are great, and a box. Okay, you don't need a pizza box, but come on, pizza. And the space is great to put a maze in. You're gonna need some tools, tape, glue, scissors, and some stuff to draw with. So those are the materials that we need for our maze. Now let's talk about what we need for our story. So for this story, our ball is going to need to get from here to there. So what you're gonna need for your story is a here, a there, and something to happen. So for example, my story is going to involve this poof ball named Lulu, who is my son's favorite library guinea pig. Lulu needs a here, our house, a there, the library, and Lulu could just go from our house to the library. Come on, Lulu. But there's not much of a story there. That's where our something that happens comes in. So maybe Lulu needs to get to the library from our house, but there's a snowstorm and she needs to go around the big piles of snow to get there. Oh, come on, Lulu, you can do it. Don't get too cold. You're almost in the warm library. Or Lulu is going from our house to the library when a big hole in the road opens up. Don't go down the hole, Lulu. You can get home. Come on, you're almost there. Or maybe that wasn't really a hole, but it was a space where a monster lives. I don't know if he's a friendly monster or a mean monster. Kind of up to you if you want to do that story. So as you can see, the story makes the maze a lot more fun and gives me some great ideas of what to draw or build. As you build your own maze, pause and try things out. As you can see, I don't even glue things down until I've tried something a couple times. What kind of maze will you build? What story will you tell? What is your something that will happen? Tag us here to show us. Bye-bye.